Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Sanlida Dragon X8 compound bow. It is the Sanlida complete compound bow and arrow accessory kit, is small and lightweight bow that gives a solid hunting experience for novice archers, experienced shooters, hunters or novices to shoot their target with precision and precision. The best budget compound bow. The compound bow comes with many adjustable draw lengths, draw weights and draw lengths, without having to purchase an additional bow press. The bow is for everyone. We will respond to your request, are available within 8 hours. Lifetime limited warranty on the main components after enrollment within the first 30 days from the date of purchase. CNC machined 100% modules and cams made of 6061 T6 aluminum. Material that is aluminum bow riser. Bowstring, BCYX. Includes everything you need to begin shooting. 5-pin sights, an arrow rest and stabilizer. Pro package also includes 12 PC's carbon arrows as well as the quiver, a release and arrow puller, the bow stand and the compound bow case. Our second best compound bow for beginners is Bear Archery G2 compound bow. Its Bear Archery Cruiser Light compound bow is a bow that can be used in a variety of ways, which boasts speeds of 290 FPS. It's a much smoother draw and is an excellent starting bow for shooters looking to increase their archery skills. This bow is extremely adaptable and easy to alter to suit your personal style and frame setup. It is designed with maximum versatility with all types of ages and abilities. The bow is ready to hunt and comes complete with 6 trophy ridge accessories. Adjustable from 12 inches to 30 inches draw length, and between 5 and 70 pounds peak draw weights. Adjustments are made with an Allen wrench without the need for bow presses. Weighs just 3 pounds and shoots an arrow at 315 feet per second. Brace height is 6.5 inch. They provide unparalleled flexibility and stiffness and permit maximum weight adjustment to create a custom fitting for every shooter. Third pick in our list is Diamond Archery Infinite Edge Pro Bow. If you're looking for a high quality, versatile, feature-packed bow, the Infinite Edge Pro is the perfect fit. Building off Diamond's best-selling bow of all time, the Infinite Edge, we pulled out all the stops with the Infinite Edge Pro. We extended the draw length to 31, allowing for a whole new category of shooters with longer draws. We also completely redesigned the cam system, creating a flawlessly smooth draw cycle. Then we added a solid back wall to give this bow yet another edge over the competition. And finally, we added a stabilizer for perfect balance, making the Infinite Edge Pro ready for anything. The most accurate and sought-after cam system on the market today. The binary cam system is comprised of 2 perfectly symmetrical cams that are slave to each other, forcing the cams to turn in perfect synchronization. This provides for flawless knock travel and tuning that you can set and forget, maximizing accuracy and consistency. With a simple turn of the limb bolt, easily adjust from maximum to minimum poundage, or anywhere in between. The easy-to-read marks provide simplicity and draw weight adjustments for any user. Number 4 in our side is Pandarus compound bow. If you're in search of the most efficient compound bow for your hunt, I highly recommend the Pandarus compound bow. The bow is equipped with cam systems that enable archers to pump a huge amount of kinetic energy to the bow, allowing them to shoot targets. Adjustable draw weight and draw length with no bow press. Available with red, green, blue, black, and pink. String stopping feature. The speed is greater than that of a bow that you have previously purchased. Please review the instruction carefully before operating the bow. The bow is designed for women or youth, as well as beginners. An entry-level compound bow. Number 5 in our top 5 best compound bow for beginners list is Raptor compound bow. Its Raptor compound bow is designed to give shooters the finest equipment to shoot target or hunting. The powerful bow can be incredibly customizable. If you're a hunter, avid bow fisher, or are interested in shooting for targets, this special bow has the flexibility for anyone who is interested, from adults or youth to novice archers. With an axle-to-axle length of just 30 inches and weighing just 3.6 pounds, the draw length is 24.5 inch to 31 inch, as well as the weight of the draw can be adjusted from 30 pounds up to 70 pounds without the need for the use of a bow press. The cams and the modules are made of aluminum that has been fully machined and have absolutely no plastic. The compound design permits 75% let off and has an adjustable split yoke that allows for precise adjustments to ensure correct arrow flight. It's a decent quality compound bow at an affordable price. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.